In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create with section grid in Wix Studio. Whether you're designing a professional website, a personal blog, or an online portfolio, mastering the use of section grids can significantly enhance the layout and functionality of your site. Section grids provide a flexible, organized way to structure your content, making it visually appealing and easy to navigate. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have all the knowledge you need to implement this feature confidently and creatively. Let's get started. First, we'll begin by navigating to the Wix Studio homepage. Open your browser and head over to the Wix Studio website. This is your starting point for accessing all the tools you'll need to create and customize your website. Once you've arrived at the homepage, look to the top right corner of the screen there. You'll find the Login button. Go ahead and click it. This will bring up the sign-in options so you can access your account. Now, you can choose your preferred sign-in method. For example, you might see options like Continue with Google, among others. Select the one you're most comfortable with, log in, and you'll be redirected to your Wix Editor dashboard. This is where all the magic happens and where you'll begin building your site. When you're on the Wix Editor dashboard, take a look at the left-hand side of the interface. You'll notice a vertical menu bar. Locate the plus icon. It looks like a small plus symbol, and click on it. This is where you'll find all the tools and elements that you can add to your website. From the menu that pops up, select Layout Tools. This section contains essential features to help you structure your site efficiently. Once you've opened the Layout Tools menu, look for an option called Section Grids and click on it. At this stage, you'll see a variety of section grid templates displayed. Take your time to scroll through the options. Each template is designed with a specific purpose in mind, so explore the different styles and layouts until you find one that aligns with your vision for the site. Once you've found the perfect template, it's time to bring it onto your web page. Simply click, drag and drop the template onto the section of your site where you want it to appear. This intuitive process makes it easy to begin customizing your layout. Next, you'll want to adjust the template to suit your content. You can modify the grid sizing, rearrange the sections, or even add new elements to better fit the overall design of your website. Wix Studio gives you a lot of flexibility here, so feel free to experiment and refine your layout. Keep working on your adjustments, making sure that every detail aligns with your content and design goals. You might want to adjust the spacing, tweak the alignment, or change the colors and fonts to better reflect your brand. Take your time to ensure the final layout looks polished and professional. Repeat these adjustments as necessary until you're completely satisfied with how everything looks. The beauty of section grids is their adaptability. So don't hesitate to play around with the configurations until you achieve the perfect layout for your needs. And that's it. You've successfully created and customized a section grid in Wix Studio. By following these steps, you've added a powerful and visually appealing tool to your website that will help your content stand out and engage your audience. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.